everybody, and this is a segment that I usually would call a minute in the boardroom. I'm not in my boardroom today, I'm actually in my office. Didn't get a chance to go downstairs, but I still wanted to bring you a video every week. So this is a segment where I share things that we're using in our business and I've used in my career to get me from here to here, and I really believe that if you utilize them, they will take your career to the next level or your business to the next level. The word I really want to utilize this week is innovation. Innovation. Now, if you're going to be at the top of the tree in your business, in your career, you have to continue to innovate. Now, when we look at technology, you fully expect this iPhone in 5 years to be better than what it is now, because you're expecting innovation. But a lot of us in our business and our careers are not innovating. We're not growing. We're not going to the next level. And if you want to go to the next level, you've got to learn to innovate. Right now, when we talk about a career, innovation comes from personal development, learning, becoming better in yourself. Those people who get to the top are those who are continuing to learn and innovate and change themselves to make themselves more marketable. If you're going to earn the big bucks, if you're going to earn more money, if you're going to progress and get those promotions, you have to learn to innovate and become better. You shouldn't be the same you, okay, in 20 years. You should be an improved version of you in 20 years. If you're not, don't expect to grow in your career. And the same for your business. If your business looks exactly the same as it was 2 years ago, it means that you haven't innovated. And I tell you now, the market is innovating at such a pace. If you do not innovate quickly, I'm talking within 6-12 months, you're old news. And your clients will let you know that you haven't innovated. Your clients will let you know that you haven't moved forward, and there's someone knocking, chasing your heels and showcasing them what innovation looks like. So if you want to grow your business, if you want to grow your career, the word that I would say is that you've got to learn to innovate. And don't be afraid of change. It is happening whether you like it or not. So you've got to learn to embrace it and grow with it. All right. I really hope that helps someone in their career, someone in their business. This applies to big businesses, small businesses. You've got to be innovating. So listen, if you have any questions that you want to ask me, how do you grow your career, from here to here? How do you help, innovate, in your company? Let me know, and I'm more than happy to answer your questions. So listen, the word this week was innovate. Go out there and make it happen.